A remarkable artifact has been found in Leonardo da Vinci's iconic masterpiece, the Mona Lisa. The artifact, which resembles a possible alien high priest, can only be seen when two halves of the image are mirrored and joined together. Once the image has been filtered, we can begin to see a mysterious figure emerge. If we strip away the image filters, and apply some subtle colorization and highlights, we can clearly see that Da Vinci has hidden a possible alien gray within the brush strokes of his iconic painting. Once we add some color, shadow, and then highlight the obscure details, we can clearly see a small humanoid figure. We can clearly see two eyes, buried in deep-set sockets, here. We can also see a long thin nose, and a small mouth. The figure, which I have estimated to be around 3.5 feet in height, also appears to be wearing a head garment. It also appears to have a defined triangular-shaped anomaly, here. We can also see a similar shaped anomaly between the humanoid's eyes, here. This could be a representation of the creature's pineal gland, or inner eye. As we move down the image, we can see two large objects, which appear to have long thin fingers. I would suggest that this is the decorative collar of the creature's robe. A little further down the image, we can clearly make out two small hands. We can clearly see fingers and two thumbs. We can also see two small ring-shaped objects at the end of the creature's fingers, here. Many theologians believe that Leonardo da Vinci deliberately concealed secret codes and subliminal messages in most of his work. If this is true, then it's reasonable to assume that the Mona Lisa was in fact painted in order to conceal important historical and religious facts, possibly regarding the extraterrestrial presence and its surreptitious involvement within the Roman Catholic Church.